What would classify as probable cause, and how important is it? Attorney Brian Sloan says, the police would not need probable cause to stop someone because they would just need reasonable suspicion. In an interesting case that came out a few years ago, I believe it was even fought in the State v. Evans, an officer pulled over a vehicle because the person was Hispanic. The officer indicated that the driver seemed to be leaning forward, grasping the steering wheel tightly, and that he had a Mexican-style haircut, which was the officer's reason for stopping the vehicle. The court stated there was nothing suspicious about what the officer observed because it included far too many people who might be engaged in innocent activity, so the traffic stop in this case was not appropriate. We have something that is arguably similar, although the courts have ruled that it was appropriate, most likely because of the community caretaking function of police officers. They finally ruled that the defendant's Hispanic appearance was not a proper factor to consider in determining whether the police officer had reasonable suspicion to stop them, in light of large numbers of Hispanics in the area, although there were other reasons to stop the vehicle. This case from the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals was back in year 2000. There was another case that involved someone who was just grasping the steering wheel, staring straight ahead and scratching his beard. The court said there was not enough reasonable suspicion to stop the vehicle because scratching the beard or scratching his head was not suspicious behavior. A Hispanic driver glancing, scratching his head, and gripping the steering wheel tightly was insufficiently particularized to provide a reasonable suspicion of someone being an illegal alien. It seemed like the border control agent was familiar with the style that was popular in Mexico, and so they assumed that the person whom they stopped had that style. For a free phone consultation, contact attorney Brian Sloan in Phoenix, Arizona at 602-357-8980. Or visit him on the web at www.arisdui.com.